everyone, my name is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's January 9th, 2025, day of Wednesday. Today I'm gonna update you regarding my 2025 C8 Corvette Stingray model regarding the front bumper or the paint on the front bumper issue. As you can remember in my previous video, they did a repair on my front bumper because I have a paint issue, or my paint was peeling off, or paint chip, whatever you call it. So unfortunately, the repair wasn't perfectly done and it's ridiculous. And I called the dealership, I reported it to GM company, and they're trying to make a resolution for this. But as a buyer or consumer, it's very inconvenient on my side and very frustrating because it's a brand new car, and what they did to my bumper, or the repair for the what do you call it, repaints for the bumper, is not, it's so terrible, and it's not really good. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and then I'm gonna go back there to do the repaint again or repair for my bumper, which is very inconvenient on my side or as a consumer in general. So before I start this video, I would like to say Happy New Year, and I would like to thank all my subscribers and viewers out there. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. So I will update you. I'm going to go to the dealership right now and deal with this shit again. And they're going to give me, of course, a loan car, which is, I'm not really happy about it. But this is my second time. Hopefully you guys understand my frustration. If you're in my shoes, you totally gonna understand my disappointment and frustration for this inconvenience. So stay tuned with me, guys, and thank you for always trusting this channel, Las Vegas Motor Speed. Please also help me to gain 1,000 subscribers. So I'm at currently 557 right now. So please, I need your support. And if you guys didn't subscribe yet on my channel, just search Las Vegas Motor Speed and just click the subscribe button, and you can put a comment if you like this video or you guys entertain. Once again, my name is Gerald and I'll see you later. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. This is Gerald, Las Vegas Motor Speed. So right now I'm heading to the dealership to drop my 2025 C8 Corvette for the second time. So to be honest with you guys, I'm not really happy with the purchase, or especially with the repair on my front bumper. So they're gonna redo it again and wait for, let's say, a couple weeks, and it's very frustrating. Hopefully you understand my frustration and disappointment. This is very inconvenient to a consumer like me. Should be like enjoying this beautiful masterpiece, but right now I'm gonna go back there again and do the same shit. So before I end this video, I would like to shout out all my subscribers again. Thank you so much for trusting and supporting my channel. My new subscribers, thank you for subscribing on my channel. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, please help me to gain 1,000 subscribers and watch more on my video, so I can be monetized. And I do apologize again. I'm just sharing my frustration or my inconvenience. Hopefully you understand my situation. Okay, so this is what happened. So this is my car right now, and they currently, I think a month ago, they did a repair on my bumper. But after 2 weeks, I noticed again same site, which is the right side passenger side lower lead on the headlight on the front bumper. If you can see, I noticed that like curl right there, or we call it swirl. So I'm so mad, to be honest with you, and frustrated. I was like, are you kidding me? I was like, what the fuck? I've been waiting for 2 weeks, and then this is the outcome of their front bumper repair or paint job. So it's not really convenience to me. So I'm gonna go back there again and have a fucking loaner car, and then they're gonna do a repaint for this shit, which is, I'm tired going back and forth. I don't wanna, to be honest with you, I don't wanna go back there just to do the repaint again. But you know, I believe everyone's deserve to have this done and repair and do it perfectly, because this is an expensive car and it's still under warranty or company warranty. So heck yeah, I'm gonna have them repair it all over again, because this is not right. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. We'll see you later. Hello guys, I'm back. So I'm heading to the dealership right now, and I'm gonna take this vehicle to do the repair again for my front bumper, because they didn't do the job well, which is terrible. I don't really know what exactly happened, if they rush it or they've done it correctly. I just noticed the bumper same side, a swirl or like a curl between the headlight, lower side of headlight and bumper when you install it. So it's very frustrating, to be honest with you, and this is so inconvenient for a consumer like me, going back and forth. Like what I've said, should have enjoying this vehicle, not dealing with this crap. So I don't know what to say. It's just right now, it's like I'm frustrated. I was like, I don't deserve this. You know, going through this back and forth is not fun. And because I have a hectic schedule, but busy schedule. So I'm gonna update you guys once I get there, and I'm gonna wait for another 2 weeks again, which is ridiculous to do this repair. But hello guys, so I'm here at the dealership right now, just dropping off my car and getting my loaner vehicle for the second time. This is fucking ridiculous. It's so inconvenient. And it's gonna take probably 2 weeks again to wait. I'm sick and tired of this fucking shit experience. So I'll update you if I get my loaner car.
2,000 years later.
So this is my car right now. They're gonna do front bumper repair for the second time. I'm gonna wait for another 2 weeks. I'm gonna walk around, make sure everything is perfect. Goodbye for now. See you in about 2 weeks. Hopefully this is the last time. And look what they give me. It's a fucking truck. This is my loaner car. I think it's okay.